So I just got my Insta360 GO set up as my webcam now, and I'm pretty blown away. It's a rainy day, and I'm heading into the mall to Big Camera to get a new Insta360 GO. My Insta360 GO 2 is failing. Doesn't really record anymore, so I'm gonna get a new one. Yeah, so found out it's on the third floor. So I got Insta360 in there, and I'm about to get back and set it up. Hey guys, quick update. I picked up one of these today. Been meaning to upgrade my camera for a while, but I held off on it because I've done that before where I would buy the equipment and then I wouldn't use it. So I wanted to use my basic equipment first and make sure that I'm committed to doing these videos. And then after I got a few under my belt, I would commit to get a new camera. And so after a bunch of research, I decided on the Insta360 GO 3S. And the reason is I needed both a webcam and I needed a vlogging camera. And as a minimalist digital nomad, one of the things you have to consider is using as little space as possible. You want to make sure that everything you get is put under a lot of scrutiny because you want to stay at a minimum amount of items because that makes it a lot easier to travel with. Another thing to think about is versatility. So you want to make sure that anything you buy would ideally have multiple uses. The idea is that the more things that your item can do, it will save that amount of space for all the devices that you would otherwise need to carry around. I tried to do vlogging from my phone, but I don't like the field of view. So I wanted something that's dedicated for that purpose. The other aspect is the webcam. I tried using a old phone that I had. I always travel with two phones for emergency purposes. And I tried to use the other phone as a webcam, but for some reason I can't get the eye line working. Yeah, even when I look at the camera, for some reason it doesn't look like I'm looking at the camera. So I wanted to try something different. So yeah, that's why I got one of these, and now I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Okay, so I just got my Insta360 GO set up as my main webcam now, and I'm pretty blown away. I think it's easy to be blown away though from going from my MacBook Air webcam to a pretty much anything else. But I think this is doing a great job. I love the idea that this could be a webcam and my daily vlogging cam. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I'll probably have to put some kind of filter on the voice. I'm not sure how the audio will go, but actually let's do a test right now. So I'm going to show you what the audio sounds like straight out of the Go 3S. So I'm talking right now, and this is the Go 3S audio without any post-processing. And then now this is the Insta360 GO 3S, but with some DaVinci Resolve audio filtering. That's one of the things I've been using to get much better audio on my videos, even though I've been using like just headphones like this. Yeah, I wanted to try though what the audio sounds like with the Insta360 GO. So yeah, that's it for now. I think it's pretty cool so far, the quality that I'm getting. I didn't do any adjustments to the video yet, and it already looks pretty good, especially compared to my webcam. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this set up and record my next video.